Guys, come here. I wanted to show you this. This is a hawkhead parrot. Can you believe this? Super rare parrot. Look at this. How old is this?
It's 5 years old.
Oh, it's 5 years old. So I thought it was a baby. 5 years old, you said?
Yes, correct.
Is it aggressive at all?
It's super tame, as you can see.
Oh my God, he's so cute. Can I touch him? Let me see. Wow, he's so sweet. He's the sweetest. Can you put him down? I want to see him there. So what comes with the bird? Is the DNA? Do you know if it's a male or female?
Well, right now, all the tests are pending. It comes with DNA and all the blood work. Just check a website to see what's all the tests that we include.
Okay, so then just check your website for details.
Yeah.
Okay, so the DNA is included in everything. Awesome. Wow, so rare. He's so gorgeous.